Hello, Assalamu alaikum, it's me Sabina with my July 2023 newsletter video blog summary. This month I'm continuing to heal from my shoulder procedure which took place in January 2023, and I'm learning to live with pains and aches and inflammation in my right shoulder. I was very poorly during plastic-free July 2023 and I couldn't post every single day, so I'm hoping to post videos soon. I attended a Zoom webinar titled The Role of Faith Organisations Tackling Loneliness, and this webinar was organised by the Civil Society Consulting team. I also attended a Zoom webinar about social entrepreneurs and health, and this webinar was organised by Wise Women. Thank you so much for watching, as you always do, and I look forward to recording another video next month. Take care. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam.